I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on your Citizens Bank account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Citizens Bank website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Settings or Profile section, then look for Security Settings or Privacy. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable two-factor authentication. You may need to confirm your trust by entering a verification code sent to your phone or email. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button to finalize the process. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so consider the risks before proceeding. If you run into any issues, check the help section for assistance. Good luck and stay safe online.